Okay, let's go.
Yeah! Oh, I forgot the shaky thingy. Uh-oh. I can do it right here. I forgot to put on my face mask. It's so cold. My face is freezing already, bro. My glasses are getting so wet because of the air. I can't see anymore, so I'm riding without goggles now. That's so dumb. Yeah. Shit happens. I'm happy I put on my face mask now. That's so much better though. So riding today with redneck Honda. Woohoo! Slippery. I'm gonna give him his name since he bought a camera too. He also bought a DJI cam, so we're gonna get 2 POVs now soon. And I'm gonna force him to also start YouTube channel. His wheels are so full of snow. That's sick. My bike is stuttering a bit though. I think I need to clean my air filter. Didn't do that for a long time now. They're building here now, so there's not really much places to ride anymore though. What? That's sad though. Drifting, baby. Oh. Well, live it. I'm definitely gonna cut this out of the video. Oh. Is it too cold for it to run, maybe? This is actually really hard driving. Ja, ik denk dat het gewoon nieuw zuigen wordt, man. Oh. It is definitely time for a new piston though. My bike doesn't run really well anymore, it stutters a lot. Or it is the air filter, but I already had the feeling it was gonna be the piston soon. Or time for the piston soon anyway. So, we'll see. Well, let's hope I don't blow my motor anytime soon. Oh, this runs such like shit. Oh, I shouldn't laugh too hard. I know what happens always when I do that. I go to... Whoa! You're just riding around the hospital here. Just precaution. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, this is the hospital. The new one. I was actually born down there in the air. This is where I was born, in the air somewhere above the parking lot. Because they built a new one, then destroyed the old one. So, my birthplace, somewhere behind these bushes in the air. Oh, we are close to a place. I actually once with a scooter, a moped. I crashed so hard. I completely got hit by a fan here. In front of that house. Yeah, here, around here. I completely crashed into a fan. He was standing still on the side and he just ran off onto the road. And I was riding there and then I hit it. Okay. What the hell? My gas is on. So what the hell? Oh no, man! You gotta be kidding me! I think it has no gas. It sounded like it has no gas anyway. Nah, it's completely dead. Yeah, this shit's dead. This shit is like dead. Wait, I'm gonna show you the decals.
Bubbly. Nice and bubbly. Hey.
Oh, that's so bad. Okay, we're going to try to fix this. Looks like no fuel, but we'll see. Okay, so not the best not the best example of why I said buy a 2-stroke instead of 4-stroke. Still, it's a battle between our friends, and I guess I'm losing now. But we're gonna try to start it again, in the hope, good hope. He just was like, I need a minute. So we'll see. Don't buy two-stroke, guys. Don't buy two-stroke. Okay, just to protect the four-phase two-stroke battle. This probably is more about the maintenance I didn't do. Especially the maintenance I didn't do, like I said.
Excuses, excuses.
Yeah, this is completely my fault. So it's not two-stroke. No, it's not two-stroke. It's me. It's me. It's not two-stroke. I didn't do maintenance for like 30 hours probably. Whoops. My bad. Okay, so we now got rescued. So let's go back home and see what is the problem here. Okay, so the bike is inside now. We took off the seat cover. Just take out this one and the one on the other side and just slide it back. The air filter actually looks not too bad, so I don't really feel like that's gonna be the problem. So now we're gonna take off the gas tank and just check a lot more then.
Not too good, not too good.
Ooh, that's not too good.
Yeah, maybe.
That might actually be a little bit of a problem there. So that might be one part of the problem.
That's all grond. Nope.
No spark from the spark plug. Yes.
Ja?
140 to 160 psi.
Ja, je zit aan de hoge kant van compressie.
So piston is still good.
Ja.
Okay, so piston is still good. We found that the spark plug had no spark. Cleaned it, gapped it, and now it has spark. So probably that was the problem.
Yeah, I also sanded contact points
Okay.
for a little bit of a better ignition.
Okay, so the air filter is actually not too bad. So since we're not having the right cleaning supplies right now, those are on the way. Already ordered those yesterday. So for now we're gonna put this back. It's not too, it's not clean, but it's not too bad. We'll do clean this later. This is not the problem at least. Conversion is good. Spark plug now is good. Air filter is semi-good. Fuel is good. So let's see what it will do. Runs like a dream. Perfect. That's good. So this was the video. Don't be like me. Do your maintenance and your bike will always run good. If you did like the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. No, runs like dog shit. Ah.